Alright, in today's video we're taking a look at this awesome chess set from A&A Games. The pieces are like literally very well designed. They're the same color as the board. You got your dark walnut color. The other pieces are the white color. Of course they're magnetic, so they're not going to fall over. Great for traveling. I mean, I don't think you could hold it upside down and have them stay on there, but all in all, it does what it's supposed to do. The board itself is about 14 and a half inches, 14 3/4 inches, and not quite 15 inches by about 14 3/4. The whole thing folded up is about 2 1/4 inches thick. Like I said, it's very well designed. Looks very nice. Looks expensive. Anyways, kind of hope this helps. Y'all have a wonderful day. See ya.